Hey guys, welcome in this channel. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss on component based approach in React.js, right? So we need to understand firstly how to make the components. Like you can see, this is app.js. This is the itself is it is component, right? So if we want, suppose that we have the big line of code in this component, we can distribute a single component into a multiple of distributed component. So let's say this is a very big component, let's say. So I don't want to put the header, like I want to put the header section into another component, right? So let's say I'm going to make another component, which is, we can say, the header component dot js, right? So I'm going to paste this whole code, but I want just the header part only, right? So you can see, in app.js file, I'm going to remove this header part from this, you can see. So you're getting the blank here. I can show you with example, h1 tag with h1 closing. Hey there, you can see hey there, right? So let's import my header component. So you can see, I'm going to rename this header. Okay, let's header, right? And okay, I want to export this like header, right? So I want to export this component into this, sorry, I want to import this component into app.js. So what I'm doing here, import header from in this header component, right? So I'm going to use this header component, I'm going to use here like this. So now you can see you're getting this, correct? Just because of you are distributing your big component into the different small component, so that you can, developer can read the code easily. Like you don't need to scroll and reading the component, right? So this is the feature of React JS. So you can distribute a component to the different nested component. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. And in the next video we will discuss, this is, you can see the function based component, and this is, you can see the function based component. So we'll pass the prop, and using the props we will change some of the value and some of the design of the screen. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. Thank you so much.